Kampokpi district ki manung channa leiba makhan khul da lanjelaktuna changja bhamloduna leiriba Kampokpi da khundariba konsa khul yauna khul kharagi mioi sama ga yankai romda nongmada sangdaba yadraba chana thakna polam sing native people's committee Manipur na mateng pangkhre amadi NPCM na mapung oba thogdang loduna mafam aduda leiriba khunja sing yauna relief camp da leiriba singna Jenims ki doctor amadi nursing laktuna lemna layang thabak chu chathaki hiram sigi matang da NPCM gi convener asang kasana hai makhan khunda relief camp hangduna IDP sing leiriba asi handak kuki milten singna chatharkiba terrorist ki act asina Kampokpi ki manung channa leiriba kala pahar da leiriba isin inau naga sing leiba kuki khulga nangna leiriba sing asigi khunja sing makhan khul asida laktuna leiri kuki milten singna chatharakliba mathong huktaba thong asida NPCM na thamoi sunga nungai taba fawi maram asina NPCM na yellow proof sing punsin daba yade kandaba yade haibagi wakhalonda relief camp da leiriba singna chana thaknaba polam sing mateng pangba lakpani IDP singbu wakal sontaba yade matam pungna makta makoi damakta mateng pangani haiki amadi lamdam asida thokliba irang asida paliba lengak asina karigumba thabak amata lokhattaba maramna misam miyam wana khanglibani hainasu phongdoki amoromda makhan khulgi chairman Silanbung maran maina hai NPCM gi mioi singna makhan khun asida laktuna IDP singna chana thakna tina nungaiba fawi amadi mafam asida Jenims ki doctor amadi nursing laktuna laying biriba asimak nungaiba fawi loinana kul asida leiriba IDP sing asi konsa khungi mioi khaktana te kuki kulga nakna leiriba khul kharagi mioi singsu laklaga mafam asida relief camp hangduna leiri haina su phongdoki loinana NPCM na IDP singna chana na ba seng hawai yerum thau tilhau asapona chingba kaya mateng pangkhi
ngasi June ge date 14 2026 ta Makhan village asida relief camp hanglaga leiriba asigi relief camp asida IDP leiriba singse andaki kuki singna chathariba lan terrorist ki ek chathariba sida Kampokpi ge manungda leiba kalapahar manungda leiriba ichinau naga sing leiba yadaba singse Makhan village asida laraga ji mahoi gi relief camp asida leiribani masigi pause taba kanda akwai native people committee Manipur na wakhanda yamna noai taba aduga shock tawba tare adugumba akwai da phaurakpada akwai na native people committee na akwai phaminare hairakanda akwai solidarity aduga ichi na amatani aduga yalawmi singse kangadabani haibagi spirit ta akwai ngasi relief item khara akwai purak taraga relief committee da akwai na sinajabani ngasi akwai native people
Megi tang taraga humdoida lailon wifi khuldagi farba matungda naga furuk ki mioi tarukpu tamthina hatkiba mihat adu center na suspension of operation tawniba kuki national front presidential faction KNFP na chathakibani haina deputy chief minister Losit Dikona phongdokre ANI da piba interview amada deputy chief minister Losit Dikona hai naga misam tarukpu tamthina hatkiba adu mioiba amagi lichat nate amadi thongdok adugi matangda asawba nungaitaba phongdoknaba Saba wahi pawa leite Deputy Chief Minister Dikona makha taraduna hai haujikti case asi NIN lokhatuna thijenba hauragani center da su makoina tafam thokwa thabak sing pakhatnaba appeal tawkhre kuki loina mak phattaba nate adubu asikumba mihat chathariba extremist group singbudi kaidonungda ngakpi bangamloi maram aduna makoigi mathakta akanba action lauragani Manipur lengakna su lamdam asida ing tappa hanjilaknaba kanna honaduna lakpani adubu masikumba tamthiraba thong asina ing tapna leiba pamjaba miyamgi thongna hantahannaba honabani hainasu makhathaki.
What can I say? This is beyond human belief, the kind of action they have done. We cannot find any appropriate words to express our anger or sorrow or our sadness. Yeah, we know it is done by the KNFP. They were the one who put them. With the involvement of the women group, the society, and the village chairman was there. And they hand over the people to the men, to the armed people. And this is what our government of Manipur is doing. Now we have done our part. And NI has already taken over. And we have appealed to the people, the central government, to do their part. Now, even just now, I have had in the raised conference with Honorable Chief Minister. I appeal to the Prime Minister that it is the SU that is under the Union government, under the central government. They are the ones who is responsible for this. We are speaking for peace. We want peace. We love each and every one of us. They are not, all the cookies are not bad. Thadavas are not bad. But this kind of extremist group, the people who are involved in this, cannot be forgiven.
Migi tang nipan nagi hauduna football team kunga marina saru yaduna hiangthang football ground da pangtholakhiba anirak suba 9-man A-side village open football tournament lising ani kunga taruki semi final match losin kibaga loinana ahum suba mafum kannabgi damakta ngarang SYDA Khetigau amadi Lamlai FC ngarang sanakre sanakhiba match aduda penalty shootout ta SYDA Khetigau na Lamlai AC bu panjin taret tarukta maithiba piduna ahum suba mafamgi title lobo ngomkre the multi-purpose club hiang thang na sinduna sathrakhiba tournament asigi ahum suba mafum kannabagi damakta SYDA Khetigau amadi Lamlai FC ga sanakhiba match aduda Thongju AC gi hanagi former minister Bijoy Koijam former MLA Nauria Pakhang lakpagi RK Anand second MPC trophy की disciplinary committee की chairman Kangjam Birendra social activist Y Dr. Kiran Yendrembam member disciplinary committee की Y Lanchandra amadi retired range forest officer S Khogen na sarubaki ngarang sanakhiba SYDA Khetigau amadi Lamlai FC na match asigi full time fawda panjin amamam chanaduna draw chatpadagi penalty shootout ta SYDA Khetigau na Lamlai AC bu taret tarukta maithiba piduna ahum sama mafumgi title lobo ngomki bani